Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. This is me, Seher. My topic for today is second industrial revolution. So the word, I'm sure you guys are familiar of industrial, but what about the revolution? Revolution means to revive, to revolve, to rebirth. And second industrial revolution is also known as technological revolution. It was a time of rapid growth and manufacturing in this industry. And second industrial revolution led to the advances in transportation, communication, and energy resources. Steel was one of the most important thing in the second industrial revolution. A person named Henry Bessemer invented the Bessemer process. What is Bessemer process? It is a production of mass production of steel from molten pig iron, removal of impurities, and the air being blown through the molten iron, oxidation process, temperature, mass iron, and everything. And this, after this process, it led to the inventions and innovations of so many things in the second industrial revolutions. As steel was so cheap, things were made through it, such as skyscrapers, bridges, railroads, elevators, vehicles, tankers, and supplement surgical appliances and everything. Then what about the oil? As I told, that kerosene and gasoline was the made through oil, and kerosene was used for light, cooking, and heat, and gasoline was used for power, transportation, vehicles. And the person who found out the importance of oil, and he got to know the importance of oil, was Drake, and he found a way to pump crude oil from the ground. Then electricity was one of the most important things at that time, and there was a person named as Thomas Edison, a person who regarded himself as a pure scientist, and he invented the power system to provide electricity across miles all over the at that time. So yeah, then there comes colonialism and imperialism. Imperialism is the advanced version of colonialism, and yeah, at that time colonies were made, and people were mainly targeting them as the consumers for in a second industrial revolution. Then the causes causes of imperialism were political, military, religious, technological, and humanitarian. The agenda was the key to make them the key consumers. And what were the advancements by the end of second industrial revolution? Medical advancements were made, telegraph and roads were made for communication, technological advancements were made, and sophisticated weaponries were made. So these were the four major advancements that were made by the end of second industrial revolution. And the medical advancements led to the high life expectancy and so much more. By the end of it, that's where the racism started, because at that time people were considering them superior to the other people all over the world. So racism started at that time. Thank you so much for listening.